up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. My name is Tony, and today we're shipping out a box of goodies to one of your subscribers. We're talking for the past couple of months, and I have something good for him. It's a box of goodies for his Audi TT. Here we have it. We have R8 coils, spark plugs inside, throttle body, tube, intercooler tube. We have this intake manifold with the flap delete, the flap motor delete, throttle body, and somewhere in here I have a spark plug cap. So guys, keep watching my videos, keep liking and subscribe. Maybe you will be the next one to receive a box of goodies. We're going to be on our way to FedEx right now to ship the box. The box is going to Richmond, Virginia. I'll be tagging him later in the post. So be on the lookout. Alright guys, to finish up the video, the new turbine housing arrived. Here it is. We're gonna try and fit it to the turbo. Goodness, look at that. We are rolling. Take these off. This is just perfect, guys. I can now mount my turbo to the Audi built engine. And then after that, I just need the oil feed line and return. Since this turbo doesn't have coolant lines, just an oil feed and return. This is gonna be great. Here we have it all completed after several tries of trying to get it to work. This is the one it came with, but it was a T4. That it doesn't fit my manifold.
Bought this eBay turbine. It did not fit. Contacted AGP Turbo, gave me their recommendations for it, and here you have it, all completed. Next step will be to mount it on the motor. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.